landing high-paying jobs without a degree. Join me as I take on the challenge of landing a high-paying job without a degree, and I'll share all the steps I take along the way. In this video, you'll discover effective strategies to secure high-paying jobs without a formal degree, proving that skills and experience often outweigh traditional qualifications. Many people believe that a college degree is the only path to a successful career, but this mindset limits opportunities for those with skills and drive. For a long time, I thought that getting a degree was the only way to get a good job, but as I started to learn more about the industry, I realized that there are many other factors that play a much bigger role. In reality, many employers care more about what you can do rather than where you learned how to do it. This misconception holds back talented individuals who don't have the resources or the time to pursue a degree. It's true that having a degree can be beneficial, but it's not the only way to get your foot in the door. Think about it. Some of the most successful people in the world didn't finish college. They have something else that sets them apart: skills, determination, and a strong work ethic. Traditional education isn't the only way to acquire knowledge and skills. With the rise of online learning, vocational training, and apprenticeships, there are plenty of alternative paths to gain the skills you need. In today's job market, experience and skills are far more valuable than a piece of paper. Companies want to see what you can do, not just what you learned in a classroom. If you can demonstrate your skills and showcase your achievements, you'll be miles ahead of someone who only has a degree to show for it. We'll discuss key approaches such as building a strong portfolio, networking effectively, and leveraging online courses to gain relevant skills that attract employers. Having a solid portfolio is essential in today's digital age. It's a showcase of your skills, a demonstration of your abilities, and a way to differentiate yourself from others. By building a strong portfolio, you can prove to potential employers that you have what it takes to get the job done. Building a strong network is also crucial in getting hired. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with people in your field. These connections can lead to job opportunities, mentorship, and valuable advice. Don't be afraid to reach out to people in your industry and ask for guidance or feedback. Leveraging online courses and certifications can also help you gain the skills you need to get hired. With the rise of online learning, it's never been easier to acquire new skills and knowledge. You can take courses in programming, marketing, design, or any other field that interests you. The turning point comes when you realize that showcasing your skills and experiences can make you a more appealing candidate than someone with a degree but lacking practical experience. It's all about what you can bring to the table. Can you solve problems, create value, and contribute to the company's success? If so, then you have a competitive edge. By focusing on building your skills, networking, and creating a strong portfolio, you can increase your chances of getting hired. It's not about the degree, it's about what you can do. It's about the value you can bring to the company. It's about being a problem solver, a creative thinker, and a hard worker. To sum it up, focus on skill development, networking, and presenting your unique value to potential employers to increase your chances of landing high-paying jobs without a degree. Remember, it's not about the degree, it's about what you can do. If you found this information helpful, check out my other videos on career development and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more contents.